Hello friends, welcome back to another video in this channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to copy the text from image or from pause video directly. So it can be useful on the situation like you want to copy the bank account number from the image or any other number from the image or from the videos, then it can be helpful. So let's see how to do that. So go to the setting first. You have to enable that feature, general, then language and region. Then there is an option called live text. Just make it on, then only you can copy the text, otherwise not. I'll just go to the Google, and here I have come up with one image. So if you just copy it, then you can copy the number directly from the image, and you can do this from the post video as well. So just copy and use it wherever you want to use it. So thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please like, comment and subscribe the channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.